This dance is called Every Move You Make. 32 count, 2 walls. There's a restart at wall 7 after 8 count. Let me show you section 1. Section 1, starting with your left foot. Rock, recover, back, cha-cha. Back, recover, forward, cha-cha. With a count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, step, half turn, step, half turn, cross, quarter, side, cha-cha. Section 2 again, step, half turn, step, half turn, cross, quarter, side, cha-cha. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. In front, side, behind, side. Rock, recover, side, cha-cha. Section 3. In front, side, behind, side. Rock, recover, side, cha-cha. Last section. Cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half turn, walk, walk. So I start with section 3 and 4. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section. Cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half turn, walk, walk. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this dance, there is a restart at wall 7 after the first 8 count. So wall 7 is here. Do the first 8 count will be rock, recover, back, cha-cha, back, recover, forward, cha-cha. Do a restart here. Rock, recover, back, cha-cha, back, recover, forward, cha-cha. Let me do the whole dance with counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,